Still in dilemma whether to use Cat6 or Cat6a cable for your new project? Hi, this is Ravi Rawal from Technomax Solutions, and we will address those queries today. Here I am once again on the terrace with sun providing the natural lights and birds providing the natural background music. Though Cat6a cables are much more prevalent and widely available now than they were 4 to 5 years back, but still there is a cost difference between Cat6 and Cat6a cables, which does make us think a little whether to go for Cat6 or Cat6a. To start with, the major technical differences would include Cat6a is 500 megahertz on bandwidth frequency, whereas Cat6 is 250 megahertz cable. So obviously the bandwidth frequency is much higher there. The second difference is the throughput that it provides. Cat6a cable will provide 10 Gbps of throughput over 90 or 100 meters, whereas Cat6 cable normally would provide 1 Gbps of performance over 90 meters. Though there are some Cat6 cables which have higher headroom, they can provide 10 Gbps of throughput over 30-40 meters. There is difference in gauge of Cat6a and Cat6 cables also. So consequently, Cat6a cable are much more thicker and obviously will require provisioning of larger conduits or raceways also. Cat6a cables are mostly shielded cables. So these are resistant to alien crosstalk and other environmental factors. Whereas in Cat6, there are different varieties of cables available, and most prevalent of them is UTP cable, which is an unshielded twisted pair cable. That's about the difference between Cat6 and Cat6a, but when to actually use them? This will solely depend on 2-3 parameters. First is application or the performance required. If you are going to use the data network which is critical to your business, industrial automation, factory setup, IoT, and maybe such kind of environments, then you should go for Cat6a. This provides higher reliability. And when you think of environments, maybe office environments where Word, Excel, PowerPoint and Internet are the basic needs, then Cat6 cable also should be okay. One important thing to consider would be the future scalability requirements. Now there are a lot of devices which are IP capable now, right from CCTV cameras, access control, Wi-Fi's and also the lights now. So if you are going to increase your network and include all these things into your network, or maybe as a future requirement, you can think of Cat6a. Wi-Fi 6 has already come in, and who knows how sooner we might get Wi-Fi 6E as well, which is an enhanced version which will include 6 gigahertz as well. What follows are some of the installation pictures of projects that we have done in recent past. These have been executed by teammates Neeraj Poswal, Gamaji Thakur, Montu Patel, Maulik, Neerav Desai. Hope you like this video and the information here was valuable. Do let us know in case of any queries and we would be happy to help. Thanks a lot. Take care.